In this video, I'll demonstrate how to share a document in Google Drive, limiting the download capability for that shared document. I'm logged into Google Drive. This is an educational account. I have my file uploaded already, and I assume that you know how to do this. Then you right-click, and then you choose Share. At this point, you can add here other users to access this file. So I'll pick distance learning staff. You could add more users as well by simply clicking in this box and then entering their email address and so on. Now, in this case, I want to give this user only viewer access. So I click here on viewer access to control the printing for this document. So in this case, we want to limit the printing for this document. Right click, choose share again. And then notice there is this configuration or settings icon on the top right. Click here and then uncheck the option for editors to change permissions and share. So if somebody has editing permissions, they're not going to be allowed to reshare it or change settings on you. The other option, you want to uncheck the viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, or copy the file. So you want to take this as well. The viewers will only be able to view the content but not download it or print it or make a copy of it. And then we press back here and then press done, and those changes have been applied. If you want to verify those settings, right click again, go to share, and then go under settings and then make sure that those options are not checked. If you like this video, please press like, subscribe, and then click on the bell icon.